What's up, guys? Today we're looking at this beautiful PX216. The PX series is Diamond C's heavy-duty pintle ring series of trailers to be able to haul backhoes, heavy concentrated piece of equipment, maybe behind a dump truck or F550 with a service bed, that type of scenario. They now have the 2.0 technology integrated in them, just like the Fleet Neck series that we released back before the end of the year. Let's take a look at this one. I'm going to show you some of the standard features of the PX, plus a couple of the options that this one has on it. Getting down to the nitty-gritty on the 2.0 technology when it comes to the PX. So the frame beam, or the web, this tall part of the sheet metal, is where the 2.0 really is the most beneficial. We took what was a grade 50 10 gauge material and we basically doubled the yield strength of that up to grade 100. So this beam from the tongue all the way back through the tail of the trailer has been doubled in yield strength. And just for like a quick metal math note, a regular structural I-beam, which is what everybody else uses on this trailer, is grade 36. So we're roughly 3 times the yield strength of mild steel or regular structural I-beam. But the cool thing is, this has the engineer beam technology, just like the big Fleet Neck, gooseneck trailers, and it allows us to get the strength out of the height of the beam, but keep the weight low. So while this looks big and beefy and stout, it's actually very strong for the weight that it is. The second thing with the 2.0 technology is we relocated the spare. It used to be up here, actually taking away from your storage space between the box and the front of the trailer. It was actually inside here. So we relocated that, much like a pickup truck, under the bed of the trailer between the frame rails. It comes with a handle where you can just crank and lower your spare when you need it, instead of trying to manhandle it out of the storage compartment here. When it comes to loading options on the PX, there are 4 different loading options. This one is shown with the max ramp option, which is 2 44-inch wide ramps that give you a really nice wide loading approach. Great for versatility, hauling a truck or a skid steer or a backhoe, any of those things, the max ramps work great for. The PX is also available in a straight deck with 8-foot sliding ramps, more meant for just hauling cargo or long material, things like that. Also, it comes in a hydraulic dovetail, which is really cool. Then it also comes in the XDR ramps, which is 2 heavy-duty knee ramps, specifically meant for one heavy piece of, or heavy-duty piece of machinery, like a very concentrated one. Say you've got a Kubota SVL 95 that weighs 12,000 pounds, or even some of the heavier machines like that, the XDR ramps work very well. The max ramps are balanced super well. This was a problem for many years with the 2 wide ramps in the industry, was that the loading surface was great, but the ramps you couldn't hardly handle. One man could not hardly handle it. When we released the engineer beam lineup of trailers back in 2018, one thing we knew we had to do is make the 2 wide ramps very much easier to use. So they're sprung really nice from the deck up to the ground, and from the ground up to the deck. An option that this PX has that's often overlooked is the extra clearance lights. On this one, it has 2 pair of extra clearance lights to really light it up or make it more visible at nighttime. Depending on the length, you can get up to 10 extra pair of clearance lights to really light it up. The next thing is, looking inside this small box, you have the electric or hydraulic brake pump, which means on this one that you have disc brakes, which is a huge benefit. Disc brakes provide better stopping power and also reduced maintenance costs ongoing, like to be able to change pads out instead of whole brake assemblies on drum brakes. So it's a win-win. You invest up front, but you get the win down the road. On the PX216, it is standard with disc brakes. All 16K axles from Diamond C are standard with disc, whereas the 12K, 10K and down, disc is an option. The last 2 features we're going to look at on this PX are the 2-speed jacks and the storage in the tongue. Standard on the PX is a regular single-speed jack. Nothing wrong with that, but when it comes to unhooking, say, with a piece of equipment on the deck, a single-speed jack can be very tough. So when you opt for the 2-speed, it gives you a second gear ratio to really make a lot easier work of unhooking with weight on the trailer. These are a Jost brand 2-speed jack. It is an aluminum extruded body, so it's actually lighter weight than a traditional steel case jack, but also rated at 50,000 pounds of lift for a pair. Looking at the storage in the tongue, you have a nice chain tray behind the lid here where you can put chain straps, a block of wood, things like that down inside there. Nice and deep. It's 16 inches deep, so you have plenty of storage in there. Then also we have grafted onto the PX the HD V-tongue lid. Now it is a smaller version, but it is very similar to that we have on the LPX and the HDT. You can actually use this small space up here as working deck space. So if you wanted to put a cooler there or a small job box, a small generator, something like that, it could ride to the job site on the lid, and you have these cutouts here to be able to strap it down. But also inside, you have another decent amount of storage space inside to be able to put other things that you need locked out of the way. Those items, tools and things can go in there and they can be locked, so sticky fingers can't get to them on the job site. Jump on diamondsea.com. There you can build a PX to fit your needs, the lifestyle you live, the work that you need to do. We'll see you on the road.
Hey, Jacob, what about the GVWR on this thing?
Oh yeah, that's a good point. So we need to talk about the GVWR of the PX. This one being a 216 is rated at 30,000 and actually has a 40,000 pound option as well. You can also get a PX at 25,000 and 25,900. An interesting point to watch out for and look for on your next PX is the weight of the trailer with the option you select is on the VIN tag. One of the only ones in the industry that does this. So the way this one is set up, just right here, weighs 7,200 pounds. The GVWR is 30,000, giving us a capacity of 22,800 pounds of payload capacity.